In this video, I'm gonna talk about the best things to buy on Temu and the way that you can find the best items. So to do this, there are a few ways. So the first one would just be to go to the best selling items. Inside of here, select the category that you want to do. So let's say jewelry and accessories. Now in here, you will see the ones that are selling the best currently. Now the other one is you can search for anything specific. So let's say you want to do a smartwatch. If you search by smartwatch and you go to filters, scroll down and select 4 stars and up. Come here to sort by and you select top sales. What this will do is it will show you the best smartwatch with most sold with the highest rating. So you can see this one has over 300,000 sold and it has 4.5 stars, which means that it is sold a lot and many of them really enjoyed it, which basically means that it's probably a good item. So these are the ways to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.